are the challenges of getting a band 8 in the IELTS listening test? The names of the challenges are listening section 3 and section 4. These are considered to be the toughest sections and they have the most confusing academic conversations. Today in this video, I am going to explain 3 important things. Number 1, you should know the most expected questions of section 3 and section 4. Number 2, you should know the strategy of note making. And finally, number 3, you should know that you need to practice the question task and not the whole listening test. Hello everyone, this is Yesha with IELTSmaterial.com, giving you the best strategy and also helping you to get your desired band score in the first attempt itself. Quickly, let's get started with the lesson and the video. The first thing, let's understand the expected questions of section 3 and section 4. Before that, let's understand what is section 3 and what is section 4. Section 3 is a conversation between students and lecturer or only students. And this is going to be an academic conversation where they might be discussing about an assignment to be completed, a project to be completed, or a survey to be taken care of. Here, the most expected question tasks are multiple choice questions and matching information. You will be applying the strategy of note making majorly in section 3. Let's understand what is section 4. Section 4 is going to be a monologue. Again, an academic topic. Any topic related to academics, for example, primary education, learning English as a second language, nanotechnology, dolphins, global warming, environment, or talking about pollution. All are academic topics and you will find only one speaker giving a lecture. Note completion task, sentence completion task, and summary completion task are the most expected questions of section 4. If you want to learn these question tasks and its strategies in depth, check out my video on IELTS listening multiple choice questions, matching information, sentence completion, note completion, and summary completion task. The link is given in the description box. Now, let me make you understand the strategy of note making with an example. You can see a question task here, which is multiple choice questions. This particular question has 3 answer options. You are going to make notes, write 1 to 2 words just beside each answer option. Before applying the strategy, listen to the audio very carefully and track the audio as well.
Right. Okay, I think we should start by talking about how to rescue a bird. Probably first we should help people understand which birds need rescuing.
Yeah, that's really important, because a lot of times people see a baby bird that's all alone, or they find a bird sitting on the ground and they think it needs to be rescued.
And usually those are just baby birds learning to fly. So we should emphasize that people should only attempt to rescue a bird that's clearly injured.
You must have heard about rescue birds. You also must have heard about people think that the lonely birds or the birds, those are all alone. They also said people think the birds sitting on the ground. Next, you also must have heard people should only attempt on the clearly injured birds. Now, what notes would you make? Beside answer option A, that is all alone, you will be writing people think. Beside answer option B, where it is sitting on the ground, you will be writing people think. And just beside answer option C, you will write people should. This very clearly states that answer A and answer B are incorrect because people are not sure about considering these types of birds, that is lonely birds and the birds sitting on the ground. They clearly said that people should attempt on clearly injured birds. Only clearly injured birds means obviously injured, and that is why the correct answer is C. Hence, this makes you understand that you are not going to write long sentences as part of note making. You will only be writing 1 to 2 words, which will differentiate the incorrect answers and the correct answer. This particular strategy of note making can be majorly applied in multiple choice questions. Try this concept, and still, if you feel that you would like to learn this particular concept or strategy in depth, then book a free demo session and enroll for one-on-one classes with our expert trainers. Finally, practice individual question task. So, section 3, the most important question task, that is multiple choice questions and matching information. Please do not practice the whole listening test. Only consider the small question task with small audios, which will help you in applying the strategy of note making. This is how you need to practice section 3. Coming to section 4, note completion, sentence completion and summary completion are going to be the most expected question task. You should understand the introduction, the subtopics, the subsections and the conclusion. This will help you track the audio right from the starting till the end. That is, from the introduction till the conclusion. And also, most importantly, the number of words. If you exceed the number of words as per the instructions, you will definitely lose the band score. So it is always better to write the answer according to the instructions or according to the required number of words. So let's start the exercising part. No, you don't have to do the exercising. It's just practice, practice and practice. This is the only technique that will help you improve your listening skills as well as enhance your band score to band 8. There is no other technique. But just make sure that you practice the question task first and not the whole listening test. Once you're comfortable with all the question tasks, and then finally you can definitely take the complete listening test and also look into your performance report. Don't forget to put the comments, that is your answers or the scores, in the comment section, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe IELTS Material YouTube channel. Keep learning and stay connected with us with IELTSmaterial.com. Bye-bye.